Assalamu alaikum. I wanted to ask you specifically about cupping, or also known as hijama, if I understand correctly, and what would be the right type of hijama practitioner to go to? What's the right way to go about it?
Hijama is a wonderful practice that was practiced by multiple cultures and civilizations throughout time. It wasn't just a mainly Arab or Muslim thing. It was something that you'll find even in the Ayurvedic tradition. You'll find it in the Chinese medicine tradition. They do more dry cupping, but there was also wet cupping, which is what we do. It's hijama. It's usually wet cupping, which is cupping of the skin. There's usually 5 points on the back that we focus on. Usually the nape of the neck where it meets the back of the chest, and then 2 points on the side and 2 points on the side. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are called the 5 Sunnah points. And usually you cup, and then you remove the cup, and you make small incisions with the razor, and then you put the cup back, and you suction, and then bad blood, dead, usually toxic, morbid blood is what is removed. And you'll see it. It's blackened, it's thick, it's gelatinous. You can see that there's something unhealthy about it. This blood should be red and should be free-flowing. So it was something of the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And there's even narrations of when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on the Isra and the Mi'raj, that at every level, every heaven, he met an angel, and the angel commanded him, tell your ummah to do hijama. At every 7 heavens, right? Now, it's not a fiqh thing. So, like, none of the ulama say, oh, it's a command by an angel through the Prophet to us to do hijama. It's a sunnah. It's not amr, like a command, like wajib. But it's something that we do. Now, here's where I want to add a little bit. I want to add some context. The Hukamāʼ, the Hakims, they'll never say anything is monolithic or something that is without individualization. Right? You can't, even Quran, you can't just sit and do 1,000 of the name of Allah, Al-Fattah. Some people, you can't do that. You'll make them imbalanced. Ya Fattah, Ya Fattah, Ya Fattah, Ya Fattah. Oh, opener, 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 opener. And then things open and they can't close it. You have to be careful. Well, same with hijama. Hijama has to be done in a specific context, or an individual that has a need, that had excess blood, or they have toxic blood that has to be taken out. I do think probably most of us, if you haven't done hijama in a while, could benefit from an individual session. But what you find nowadays is people are doing trainings online, and they'll be 3-4 month virtual trainings, and they're good trainings, right? But usually the people that are training are not healthcare workers. There are people that they want to revive the sunnah. Maybe they want to serve the community. Maybe they want to make a couple extra bucks. Maybe all the above. And so you have people that are not healthcare workers that are getting trained, and then opening up shop and just doing hijama on the weekends and just booking out sessions. And they'll say, mashallah, a lot of bad blood came out. You should come back in a month. Maybe I'll have you on like a schedule, like you come every month and do hijama. But what if that person's already anemic? The person's not trained to know that this person actually needs to maybe do 1 session, and then they have to build the blood. You can't just keep draining the blood. There's a lack of hikmah. That for us would be malpractice, like really inappropriate, right? But you have people that are learning the modality and saying it's sunnah, it must be good. You have to be more sophisticated than that, right? And then you hurt people and say, oh, I was just doing the sunnah, it wasn't me. Come on. So we have to come to it with wisdom. We have to find people. Ideally, you're finding people that are healthcare practitioners. They understand the nuances. There's some sort of individualization. Any holistic practitioner who's Muslim is not going to just be applying hijama willy-nilly. They're going to be wanting to apply it in the same way they apply acupuncture, homeopathic remedies, even diets. Certain diets may be inappropriate. And to give somebody meat when they really need fruit or starches or whatever may be inappropriate, and maybe not malpractice, but something ethically of an issue. Yeah.